Hey guys, you will be shocked at what we found. We found the owners of these old abandoned cars, and in the next videos we will be restoring them. Yes, we want to restore them and sell them. This is going to be a very exciting series of videos. I will tell you more about each car in a moment. Watch the video to the end. You will be shocked by what we found inside. Let me do a little review and show you each of the cars in detail to some nice music. Subscribe to the channel, like and comment. Enjoy watching.